To Ammachi's Flowers. Today I am going to show you how to make apple pie. You have to make the crust first. Apple pie, we need the crust. I am going to show you how to make the crust first. You have to take one bowl any flour. Here I have taken wheat flour. You can take all-purpose flour. Here I have taken wheat flour and 1 spoon fresh cream, Amul fresh cream, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon sugar powder, 1 spoon, and Amul butter. You have to put sliced butter, full, 100 grams. According to your taste, you can increase, or according to you have to minimum half you have to put 50 gram butter, and you have to put little milk, and you have to put little baking powder, half spoon. And you have to mix it well. Our atta is like this, and you have to keep it for half an hour. Half an hour you keep it. You have to put a damp cloth here. Now I will show you how to make how to clean and cut the apple to make the pie. You have to clean the apple first and remove the skin like this. Now I am going to show you how to make the apple filling. We have cut apple like these pieces, and I put 1 limbu ras, 1 limbu juice in this, and I mixed it well. And now we need 1/3 elaichi powder. You can use cinnamon stick powder, 1 spoon cinnamon stick powder. That is better. I don't like that taste, so I am putting elaichi powder. I don't like the cinnamon powder, so I am putting this, and little butter, and sugar, powdered sugar. According to your taste, you can increase or decrease the sugar powder. Then now I am going to mix it thoroughly. You can use cinnamon powder. I am not using it because I don't like the flavor. I am going to prepare the baking dish by greasing little butter. You have to take like this for the for making the pie. You have to grease with butter. Now it's done. Now I am going to keep it aside, and I am going to take the dough. Our dough is like this, and now I am going to make it 2, and I am going to put this in a silver foil and keep it in the freezer for half an hour. the freezer for half an hour. You have to take out the one ball and you have to do like this. You have to first measure it like this. It should be inside this. Slowly you have to do it like this. Slowly you have to roll it like this. Base and mix is ready. Now I am going to put this in this base. I'm going to put the other one above this like this. Now our pie is ready. I am going to do like this. Strips, or you can make strips like this. Now I am going to bake this in preheated oven. In the preheated oven, now we have to see how it is after 20 minutes. If it is golden brown and the crust is done, you have to remove it. Minutes, our pie is like this. See, apple pie is done. See, nice color, brown color has come. Then we have to cut it and serve it. Now today I am really very happy because last week I got 1000 subscribers, above 1000 subscribers. That's all because of you people. So I thought of making a nice recipe as a celebration. So I made apple pie. This is really very tasty. You all should try at home. Thanks for watching my channel. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. You please share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.